Po, hindi ako sanay sa
Ayun. Good morning. So,
Ano ba? Alam ba? Si Daddy, ang galo. Your dad.
so we're celebrating for advance happy birthday sa aking sister-in-law, and this is our first time, guys. We're here having this serenade. So they're fixing first their instrument. So they're gonna say. So we will say. We will see.
Pasahingi lang po ito.
Ayan.
Mahal yan, mahal. Magagaling kayo.
I will never find a love sweeter than you, sweeter than you. I will never find a love just than you. Some of you love my mother, some of you love my sister. I love my brother. You are the only one, my everything. It's the only song I sing. Pray with someone like you. I thank God that I finally found you. All my life, someone like you. Someone like you, and I thank God that I finally found you. All my life I prayed with someone like you, and I hope that you feel the same way too. Yes, I pray that you do love me too.
Ma'am, before the second song po, may message po kami nababasahin na galing po kay Sir. Ano po? Talaga. Same copy lang din po yung magot ko sa inyo.
Ayan. Okay, my mahal and only. Good morning. Hoping you have a good night, rest and sleep. I know it's a day early before your birthday, so I decided to do it anyways. Please have a safe and smooth travel tomorrow. I am praying and hoping that everything goes well as planned. Before you leave, I just want to wish you a happy birthday. I know this year have been ups and downs for us, storm, typhoon, and bumpy roads throughout, but nevertheless, we are still here. Not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your path, just like the song Hawak Kamay. I wish everything stays the same. I hope with this gesture it ignites the fire within us and everything goes the same as time goes. All wounds will heal. I wish and pray nothing but the best this world to offer and everything that I can give. Please take care always. Learn to listen. Accept the consequences. Move and stay humble whatever happens. Thank you for taking care of our bundle of joy, Gabriel, Samuel, and baby boss Kali. Please take this day and enjoy every blessing that God gave you. I love you and always. You may not be able to control every situation, but you can always control your attitude and your effort. Much love and always, mahal ko, Bossing Money Fresh.
Isa ko lang ba kanta natin sa mga happy birthday? One, two, three!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday ko na, happy birthday. Ayan na.
Secret mo siya.
Ako, ma'am.
Wala ko ibang gusto yan, guys. Yung ano lang. Yung hinahawakan niya, oh. Yan, oh. Yung may kulay violet, tsaka basta.
Thank you po ulit, ma'am. Happy birthday po.
Thank you.
Ma'am, may message lang po para po kay Sol na nagbigay po ng surprise na nakaarawan nito.
Actually, kausap ko lang siya. Bago ka pumunta dito.